Are you motivated? Hey! Let's go, suspension, let's go. Your leg up. Your leg needs to go up.
Because they make him fall. The baby make you take I'm small. Cause they have me like a call. Baby don't go like.
Say what's poppin' Maniiii.
This is a really beautiful event, and I will appreciate it if we can keep doing it over and over again.
It was fun all through, and I look forward to the next edition, which will be coming up next year.
It wasn't easy planning this season event, bro. I'm telling you, it's full of energy, Maniiii. It's full of determination, planning, timing, sleepless night, and all that, Maniiii. Putting everything together, it has come to an end. It's a success.